Kevin Walters here once again with Costa Rica Investment Properties. Well, you keep asking about properties under $200,000 in Costa Rica. Actually in Jaco, Costa Rica, and that's a very difficult thing to do because we are the quickest growing tourist town in all of Costa Rica. But we do have a few opportunities for you. Please enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up if you like it, and enjoy the opportunities we'd like to show you from Costa Rica Investment Properties.
La Vereda consists of 18 two-bedroom, two-bathroom units with concrete block construction, vaulted ceilings, and covered carports. Featured here is Unit 6B, a full turnkey, ready to rent or move into with several upgrades. Listed at $185,000, it includes seller finance options. In the description area below, we've included a full-length video of this property. The condominiums at Las Brisas are conveniently located 1 mile from world-renowned Los Suenos Marina and less than 10 minutes into Jaco. Las Brisas offers tranquil common areas, pool and barbecue zone with only 9 units on site. This particular unit, $198,000. Promo video also located in the description area below. Discover the beauty of Foresta Residences, where nature meets innovative design. This pocket listing features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, covered parking, terrace with thoughtfully designed common areas, and a saltwater pool. Listed to sell at $195,000. Torres del Mar, pre-construction from a reputable builder. 2 towers consisting of loft living and 2-bedroom condominiums. Common areas, location, and previous projects help this project make our list. Loft living from $170,000. Here's a few tips to follow when looking at investment properties in Costa Rica. Quantity, how many units in the project? Security, cameras or an on-site service. Quality construction and newer builds that feature nice common areas, pools, and most of all, a solid track record. These can all factor into your rentability and reviews for better ROIs. As always, for more information on these properties and more, please contact us with the details provided below. We'd also suggest following our social media channels for more frequent updates.